Hello, and welcome to the first in our series of Photoshop tutorials. We'll be starting today by showing you how to create a new document in Photoshop. To get started, open your Photoshop program. From there, you can easily begin creating a new document by using the drop-down window under File. Click on File to see the drop-down window. After that, the first command you see in the drop-down window is New. Click on New to start creating a new document in Photoshop. Once the new document window opens up, specify what name you want to give the document, and change the settings as you see fit. You can change the width, height, resolution, color mode, and more. These will change the size of the document and what you'll have to work with. Once you've done that, you'll be ready to start creating your new Photoshop image. Now you can start putting to digital paper anything in your imagination.